In this video, I will show you how to log into your browser on your Google Smart TV to synchronize your browse history to your Google account on your Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here, this is a Google browser web page right here. First thing first, I will walk you through on how you can download and install this particular browser application on your Google TV. After a successful download, then we move to how we can actually install. We move to how we can actually sign in or log in our Google account into this browser on our Google Smart TV. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and close this tab as well. Boom. Then this is the browser right here. It is called Internet Browser. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can actually download this browser. So for that, I'm going to navigate to the Home tab right here. On getting to Home tab, we want to make sure we go to Settings. And the next thing you want to do right here to simply go ahead and make sure you click on All Settings. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, proceed to Apps, then go ahead and make sure you click on Google Play Store, click on Open. Then on getting to Google Play Store, you want to make sure you go to Search right here, click on Search. So I'm going to simply click on here and simply type in web. Just type in web and then hit on search. Then here we go. This is the browser right here. It is called Internet Browser. All you have to do is to download and install it on your Google TV. After a successful download and install, let's see how we can synchronize and log in our Google account into this browser on our Google TV. So for that, click on Open. So once you click on Open, it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do is to navigate to Google from the top right here. Go ahead and click on Google. And in a few seconds, it's load up to your Google interface right here. Now, how can you log in your Google account to this browser on your Google TV? What we want to do is to go ahead and we make sure we navigate to Sign In right here. Click on Sign In. Then it's going to take us right here. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and enter your Google account right here. So go ahead and click on here to enter your Google account. Click on here to enter your Google account. So after enter your Google account, you just want to make sure you click on continue right here. The next thing you want to do is to enter your Google account password. Then click on continue. And you have successfully logged in into your Google account on your browser right here. Just like what you see right here, you can now see that it has changed to my profile right here, which will allow me to have access to different Google apps. So if I click on this icon right here, it will show me all available Google apps right here on my Google TV. Just like what you see right here. Now here, I have my account right here. I have Gmail, I have Maps, I have Chrome, I have Meet, and I have my Google Photo right here. I have my Google News right here. And at the same time, I have my Google Search right here. So it's that simple. You can literally do everything you do on PC or on phone on this particular section right here, provided that you have successfully log into your Google account on your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular browser in the comment section down below. And for more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.